New year, new pimples. What's new? My name is Augustin Marquez, and if you guys don't know who I am a daily vlogger which just started. And if you normally don't see people outside of their car, I'm literally standing outside my car while the car is driving. Well, I don't know what you're doing, and subscribe to the channel, guys, because more things are gonna come to this channel, more videos and more content for you guys. I was thinking about daily vlogging. I don't know, I was bullied back in high school. Let me just get out the car, excuse me. How's my buddy going? Leah, are you doing good? Leah, 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 Leah. Let me just show you guys what my best friend looked like. Leah, Leah, Leah. Leah, 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 you're not gonna give me a kiss? Leah. No. I just want to show you guys what a lemon tree looks like here in my house. Look at it, guys. Kind of looks a little bit like me, don't you think? If you look closely.
Are you sure about that?
Sorry I had to do this, but it's the only way. It's time to pick you back up. There you go. Them shoulders, hit them shoulders. Ooh. Hi guys, how you doing? Since my life is a little boring, I had to make up for it and make stupid stuff like showing you guys how to cut a coconut. So that's what I'm about to do. So the way that you cook, wait, did I just see something? Hold on, let's back up. Who's that sexy man over there? Yo, you look sexy. So the mission here is to cut one of those coconuts that are right there. If you guys can see them, there's some nice, big, fat, juicy coconuts. Oh my God, some coconuts. One thing you should know about South Florida is that it's super hot over here. I literally had to take my shirt off, and right now what I'm looking for is some type of stick and a metal so I can make some machetes type stuff, because in Minecraft what you need is a stick and some metal to make a knife. So that's what I'm trying to look for. I already found a stick right here. If you guys don't know, all I need is a piece of metal and I could make this into a machete. All right guys, so I found the metal. I turned it into a machete. I'm in the middle of nowhere, guys, and I don't know what to do, and I really need to get that coconut so I can survive, guys. I'm gonna cut you down and I'm gonna cut you in pieces and I will eat you bit by bit.
Shut up.
Patience, it's almost off. Bear with me, guys. I know I'm not a professional, but these coconuts. Alright guys, so I'm about to enter the jungle. I don't know, you guys, I wish you guys were here with me. There's a lot of mosquitoes. I don't know, there's a snake somewhere here. But look at this, guys. such a mission to go over here.